he has no internet connection.
Yeah, like the Wi-Fi is not working well. You cannot play, so that's why it's once.
Okay. Yeah. Next time, please consider the foreigners SIM card problem. So yesterday, suddenly my smartphone denied by GB's house Wi-Fi. GB's house have a Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
So I don't know. And yesterday, I was waiting for you, and the house only Junjun. Do you know Junjun?
Yeah.
Guy. I use a cell phone, and first the contraction is until yesterday, and so I was just waiting for you. So 私は今I'm waiting my tour guide, and I have to contact with my guide, but I cannot use Wi-Fi. So into the cell phone and translate Cebuano and shows it. And Junjun answered me Cebuano, so I cannot understand.
Where's Juvie?
And she is in maybe Bacorodo or something. And yes.
And then she arrived this
Yeah. Came back 6 p.m. or 5 p.m. like that.
I don't know if Juvie had a kid.
No. Honestly speaking, she is a lesbian.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, she's lesbian. And no kids.
Does she have a husband?
As well?
Husband?
No. A partner. She has a partner.
A guy?
No.
A girl?
Girl, yes. So lesbian, she's lesbian. And her partner is in Hong Kong now
Oh.
and working.
Yeah, because you're talking, I said, if she had a husband, like, I don't want to ask her because...
Of course, it's a good idea.
Yeah.
She is a good person.
Yeah. She's working in Japan before, right?
No, Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
Yeah. First time I went to Jibi's house, I stayed, and she asked me, so invest me, how much she said? Yeah, 40,000 pesos. Investment for the like as a dormitory and one more another room like that. But now she realized I'm poor, so she never asked me investment.
Yeah, I'm not sure. My coworker before, like, because laptop is very important.
Laptop, yes, for teachers,
yeah.
native camp.
Yeah, native camp. Then one of the students, like, I don't know, send a laptop, but she have to pay it every month through bank.
Yeah.
So 5 teachers do that. Then they send money every month, but like 4 years probably.
What?
Because
What?
I mean the amount is divided into 2 years.
Okay.
So that's the exact amount they're gonna pay every month. Because the Japanese know how much is the salary in native camp. It really depends. I mean the Japanese know how much the salary of native camp every month.
Salary of native camp. You mean your salary? yeah.
So that's why the students like, okay, 2 years you're gonna, I forget the term. Like 2 years you're gonna.
Yeah, but it's a very long time.
But I think it's okay because you're not pressured.
Okay, but the interest is very big, I think.
No interest.
No interest.
I think it's already fixed. It's including the interest
Okay.
for 2 years. I think teacher me also, one of the teachers, teacher me and teacher Benita.
Okay, Minuta.
Benita is,
So, one of the teachers asked the student, I need a job, but I have no laptop. So one of the Japanese students send the laptop or send the money for
no,
buying.
no.
Yeah.
You mean what I said earlier? Or some students?
I know. Yes, I know some teachers get a.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
know also. One of my coworkers do that.
Yeah. That is a better idea.
Especially when that come, I mean the typhoon here in Cebu City.
Yeah.
So many donations from Japan and Taiwan. But unfortunately in our company we only receive a little amount from.
Yeah, no. Honestly, an office teacher, and especially an main office,
Yeah, exactly.
they get a big help, big money.
Yeah, that's the complaint because it's unfair.
Unfair.
Even though they are main office, it's
Yeah. I know.
and after the audit they have a big party.
What?
Yes, one
No
of the
good,
regular
no good.
students we had, he was a native come student for a long time. He
Oh.
was so mad because how much more Talisay City they don't receive anything,
Oh.
and then they have a big party. They have lechon. Do you know lechon?
Let's show.
The pork, the big one. They got like
Okay. It's unfair.
yeah. That's why the Japanese students complain to native ka main office Mandaue.
Mm.
Yeah. So that's why the native ka main office like I don't know give something on us because it's so unfair.
Yeah.
We're still the one of the
But
teachers.
you get something because you are one of the branch office teacher. I mean, office teacher.
Not too high than them.
Okay. But the home-based teacher is more unfair.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Why not go to Mandaue office? You.
Yeah. Before I wanted. No, the native come is a little bit strict rather than before when
Yeah,
pandemics come.
Yeah. I know.
When pandemics has so many students, so many teachers.
Oh.
But when pandemic like stopped.
Teacher cannot go to the office. That's why. Yeah.
Before so many Chinese.
Oh. But not now. No Chinese company.
Ah, 5-1 talk.
Yeah.
And also like Kiminis. Oh, I think it's like Kiminis.
before I come here, we're talking about a guide, and so I was not sure you can guide or not, but why I asked you to guide, how can I say, the big word you said. Maybe I told you again, and you don't remember. Maybe you are my or our family. You said.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a good word. And yesterday, do you remember our conversation? You said the woman. Most important thing is